Alright guys, so today we're going to start our quest to complete the Champion's Path collection, and this is going to be my first pack opening for the Champion's Path. So what we're going to do is, next video, part 2, we will be opening 2 packs of Champion Paths. Alright. Alright. Phew. Alright, Blue Energy, Hyper Potion, Suspicious Food Tin, had a lot of those, Rodham Bike, Scraggy, Galarian Zigzagoon, Sizzlipede, Pokeball, Inkay, and we got a Holo Energy, okay. And we got a Machamp. Nice Holo Machamp. Nice little pull. Okay, alright.